beaders, it's Jerry. Welcome back to Beachside Bead Boutique. And if you are new here, welcome and thank you so much for joining me. Please remember to like this video, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell and you will be notified of all my weekly uploads. On today's video, I am super excited because I have another Didi's Deluxe Bead box. This is my second box, and my first box I absolutely loved. So I'm just very excited to open this up and see what's in here. So I thought we would do this together so you guys can see. Okay, so this is a Sapphire Blush. I'm really excited, and my birthstone is Sapphire, so I already love it. Ooh. Oh boy. Okay. So Sapphire Blush inspired by Czech designer strands. So that would be this. Very pretty. Love this. Love the pink and blue together with the gold. Love that. Okay, 4mm natural lapis lazuli gemstone beads. So you got 4mm, so these. Very nice. Let's see, pink calcite twisted square gemstones. So, yeah, so we would say these, right? Pink calcite twisted square gemstones. So yes, that's that. Oh. Oops. Love these. Okay. 6mm soft pink shell inlay howlet beads. So I would say these. Very pretty. Looks pretty with this for sure. Very nice. I just love the colors in there. The pink with the cream. Very pretty. See, half silver plated midnight blue crystals. So midnight blue, half silver plated, yes. Wow, that's beautiful. I mean, look at that sparkle. Just beautiful. Okay. Soft pink 2-hole Rhombus hematite. So yes, these have 2 holes, and this feels really nice. It's almost like it feels like like suede. Nice. It's really cool. Okay. Antique copper helix crystals. That's this. Very pretty. Ooh, that's very rich. Love it. half copper plated opaque pale pink crystals. That would be this. Again, love this. Love it. So pretty. Okay. Antique copper wavy rings. So that would be these. Antique copper daisy bead caps connectors. So that would be these. I love these. These are so cute. All right, I'll take it out just so we can see it better without the reflection of the baggie. Love them. Antique copper charms. That would be these. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, very nice. Antique copper Rollo chain. I love it. And bonus, 2-piece, 25mm antique copper fancy elongated bicone. So that would be these. Nice. Okay, you guys, so there you have it. This is our Didi's Deluxe Bead box for May. Let me spread everything out here. I just love this. I love all the colors. I think this is just really beautiful, and it is inspiring, so I will think about what I'm going to do, and I will come back here really soon, and I will design something with these wonderful, beautiful beads. So I want to thank you all for joining me. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Have a great day and a great week. Bye-bye.